that one was weird.
Daddy, show us all the strange noises you make. Show us. Come on. Oh, there's your remote control. Hold on, I'll get it for you. You stay up here. It's right here. There you go. Eat the remote. Eat the remote. Are you tired? What about this toy? What's this? Yeah, that's even tastier than a remote. Don't smack yourself with it.
We did make considerably more than 4
Oh, there goes Ray's cereal. He barfed up the Ray's cereal. What are you doing? You got what you wanted, but now you can't get back up. That's the camera. Oh no. Oh no. Zev, here's your remote control. Are you being grumpy?